Hello, thank you for calling John's Cleaning Services. How can I help you?
Imagine you run a local cleaning business and every missed call is literally lost money. Now imagine this. It's 9 p.m., a customer calls, and instead of voicemail, an AI receptionist answers. It answers FAQs, checks your real-time calendar, and books the appointment. And if things get too complicated, it transfers the call to you. In this video, I'm going to build exactly that using Retell AI and Call.com.
Hello, thank you for calling John's Cleaning Services. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to ask about your cleaning services.
Of course. We offer a range of cleaning services, including standard residential cleaning, deep cleaning, post-construction cleaning, office cleaning, carpet and sofa cleaning, window cleaning, and more. Is there a specific type of cleaning you're interested in or a particular question I can help with?
How much does a standard home cleaning usually cost?
A standard home cleaning usually starts from around 70 euros, but the final price can vary depending on the size and condition of your space. If you'd like, I can give you a more tailored estimate.
Alright,
Just let me know a bit about your home.
Do you bring your own cleaning supplies, right?
Yes, we bring all the necessary equipment and cleaning products with us. If you have any special requests or preferences, just let us know and we'll do our best to accommodate them.
And are you open tomorrow morning?
Yes, we're open tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Would you like to check availability for a cleaning appointment in the morning?
Would like to book an appointment at 28 January in 2026.
No problem. What time on January 28th, 2026 would you prefer for your cleaning appointment? And could you let me know what type of cleaning you'd like and your address?
My address is Ermu 16 in Athens. My phone number is this that I'm calling.
Thank you. I've got your address as Eremu 16 in Athens, and I'll use the number you're calling from. Could you please tell me what type of cleaning you'd like? Standard, deep, or something else? And what time on January 28th works best for you?
I would like at 10 p.m. at 10 a.m. Sorry.
Great, so you'd like to book a cleaning at 10 a.m. on January 28th, 2026. Could you please tell me your first name, and is this for a standard cleaning?
My first name is Peter and I want a standard cleaning.
Let me check if we have an opening for a standard cleaning at 10 a.m. on January 28th for you.
So we start with the brain. I'm using my custom GPT I've created. Hey, I'm writing an AI receptionist. So I have this prompt. We have roles, skills, and all the things. Reschedule appointment, cancel appointment. So we copy this. And let's go to Retell. So you write Retell AI and you can sign in with your Google account. Here, we tap Create an agent, voice agent, and I will choose single prompt agent. Great. And we'll paste our system prompt here. So I check my system prompt and I think we need some changes here. So I create this one. And now we click functions. We already have, as I say, end call. And we add call transfers. So for now, we click save. Now we want the calendar. We're using Call.com because it's the best for API integrations. So now we click check calendar availability. We name it check availability. When users ask for availability, check the calendar and provide available slots. So we want API key from Call.com and type ID. So as for me, because I'm living in Greece, I want Europe, Athens. And now we type Call.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, just sign up. I have already an account. So we want to grab those from here, API key and event type ID. I have created this one. You can name it as you want, 1 hour cleaning service. Look at the URL bar at the top. We have this one. And these numbers, event type ID. And we paste it here. Now go to settings, click API key, and just click add. And we name it cleaning services 2. If you want, you can click this one, never expires, we tap save. And here we have our API key. We click copy, and we're back in Retell and paste it here. And we click save. And now we need one last function to actually confirm the booking. We click book on calendarcall.com. We name it book appointment because we have this variable name in the system prompt. And we want API key, copy, paste, and the same process. We click this one and copy and paste it here. I want Europe, Athens. And we click save. So now our agent can transform, check availability, and book. If you want, you can change some settings in call.com. For example, your name, email, phone number, and all this stuff. So now to keep the prompt clean, we move the FAQs to the knowledge base. We click knowledge base. We click here. We name it cleaning services knowledge base. We click add text, and I paste it here. So check it out. Cleaning services knowledge base. You can give it a business phone, your current time, business website, and owner name. Hours of operation, services and pricing with analytic prices. Confirm the new time with the customer. FAQs. We name it cleaning knowledge base, and we click save. Anyway, save. We're back in agents. We click knowledge base. We add it. This one, cleaning service knowledge base. Next, we have welcome message. We want AI. AI speaks first, and custom message. Hello, thank you for calling John's Cleaning Services. How can I help you? And now we open speech settings. Firstly, we pick our background sound. We want coffee shop. And here is the volume. We have responsiveness, control how fast the agent responds after users finish speaking, 0.85. And interruption and sensitivity, control how sensitively AI can be interrupted by a human. I'm lowering it to 0.5. We have enable back channeling and enable speech normalization. In my case, I don't need them. We have real-time transcription settings. And here we have pronunciation. You can teach how AI want to pronounce some words. Now we click real-time transcription settings. Filter out unwanted background noise or speech. We click remove noise and background speech because the voice may be distorted by the background and the AI may not understand something. Transcription mode, we click this one. The second one, optimize for accuracy. Next, call settings. Scroll down to end call on silence. I'm lowering it down to 4 minutes. And max call duration, 11 minutes. We're okay. If you want to transfer some variables, for example, to Supabase, you can use this. And MCPs, this is for connecting external platforms. So we're okay. We want the phone number. We click phone numbers. So if you have a retail subscription, you can buy a phone number for here. If you want a free number for testing or you want to connect your own Twilio number, check out my previous video, AI Cold Caller for real estate agencies, where I show you exactly how I set up a free Twilio number. So once you have your number, go back to the agent, click publish, and we click inbound phone number because the AI answers incoming calls. And here we select our phone number and we click publish. And there you have it, a fully functional, it works 24/7, human-sounding receptionist. I have put the system prompt in the description so you can copy-paste it and adapt it for your needs. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button. That really helps me to continue and make these videos. See you in the next video.